Hey everyone, my name is Maria.
And my name is Lauren.
And this is our EID 100 final project proposal. For our proposal, we have chosen to address the topic of privacy and security and how it applies to a target audience of high school students. We have chosen to use Pinterest as our presentation platform because it helps to categorize and explain different facets of our topic.
Internet privacy and security is a wide-ranging topic and consists of many subcategories, which include but are not limited to big data, online identity, cookies, privacy, intellectual property, and cybercrime. Keeping our audience in mind, we will create a collection of articles that are informational, instructional, and help high school students transition into the working world.
The topic of internet privacy and security is important for high school students because they have to understand the real-world threats in the internet age. For example, they should be aware of the significance of online identity in the working world and the effects of cyberbullying and cybercrime. They should also know the importance of policy, intellectual property, and protecting personal information and finances.
Pinterest is a web and mobile platform in which users can make visual bookmarks or pins to discover, create, and share ideas. It is a useful app for this topic because it provides tips and lists of step-by-step instructions that students can use to avoid challenges of online security and privacy. The following slides will show a breakdown of how we will use Pinterest to categorize our topic.
The header on a Pinterest account presents an opportunity to explain what your profile is about and the types of things that will be shared. In this case, the header will tell the target audience, high school students, that the account will teach them everything about internet privacy and security and establish that all posts will be related to this topic.
Pinterest uses boards, which are similar to folders, to organize the information that will be shared. The boards will therefore be used to organize categories within the topic of privacy and security. The header of each board will then be used to briefly describe its category by defining what the topic is and how the topic applies to the user and addressing best practices within the topic.
Within each category, pins will be used to link informational and instructional articles to the board. These articles will address different topics within the category. For example, within the topic of intellectual property, one might pin an article that gives a general overview of intellectual property and then pin another article about patents. Each of these pins is linked back to the website that hosts the original article.
Finally, each pin will have a commentary or description of the article. These commentaries will use teen-friendly language that explains what the article is and how it applies to the audience. Commentaries will include hashtags of keywords so that the articles can be found by new users. After reading the commentary, users will know if the topic is useful for them and can click on the pin's image to access the article.
To conclude, Pinterest will be used as a platform to help categorize the vast topic of internet privacy and security so that it is easier for users to navigate. Our project will help high school students to understand the challenges of the topic and learn best practices for protecting their own privacy and security. Finally, as required by the project outline, all visual content will be CC licensed, at least 2 academic sources will be used, and all research will be sourced.
Thanks for listening to our presentation.
And get ready for some pinformation.